As many people know, ancient Greece presented the first democratic government. But did you know democracy was only one of the many types of government the Greeks employed? Taking it back to around 500 BC, the country of Greece was in its classical period. They were divided into around 100 city-states, each of which were ruled differently. For example, Athens was being ruled by a tyrant named Hippias. In 510, Spartan troops helped the Athenians overthrow the king. Following this, they supported Cleisthenes, a rival of Hippias. Cleisthenes supported the idea of equal rights and is known as the father of Athenian democracy. He honored those executed by Hippias. Though virtually all citizens were allowed to participate in democracy, women, children, slaves, and residents from separate city-states weren't counted as citizens. Sparta was less interested than Athens in equal rights and power to the people. Originally, monarchs ruled Sparta. However, over time, they mixed forms of government together to find a balance. Two kings remained, one to go to war if needed and one to rule over the people in that case. In addition, there were 5 annually elected leaders, a council of 28 elders, and an assembly of the people. This mixed forms of monarchy, oligarchy, and democracy to create a government exactly how the Spartans envisioned. Ancient Greece's economy was mainly based on import and export of goods. Considering their soil was poor quality, the Greeks mainly imported agricultural goods such as grain, wheat, flour, barley, pork, cheese, and more. They traded their own products like olive oil and wine because grapes and olives grew very well in Greece's agricultural environment. Pottery and metalwork were also exported out of Greece. There were taxes in certain city-states, however, only the rich were taxed when needed. This was usually in times of war. Ancient Greece contained a central shopping center and public space called an agora. Local merchants could set up shops containing small handmade crafts, linens from Egypt, ivory from North Africa, spices from Syria, and other products like this. Many merchants that sold similar products had shops in the same area. Ancient Greek culture has contributed to current society immensely. When looking at government alone, it is clear to see that their idea of a democratic government shaped history. The United States is the world's most powerful country, containing the world's largest economy and military budget. Many successful countries today would not be where they are if not for the brilliant idea of democracy brought to us by ancient Greece. There is no doubt in my mind that Greece is the greatest, most influential civilization of its time.